Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I like to finish off any hairstyling with Kenra Anti Humidity Spray. This is level 5. It doesn't have a super firm hold, which is fine with me, but it controls frizz and static, which is great, especially when you live in a warmer, humid climate like I do in Florida. I like to apply this evenly on my hair at the very end after I'm done styling everything. There are so many benefits to this product. It's lightweight, so it leaves your curls nice and soft and bouncy while still protecting your hair from frizz for up to 72 hours, which is amazing. It also protects your hair against heat, so if you wanted to straighten it, you can feel good about doing that too. So if you're looking for a finish spray for hairstyling, you're going to want to check out Kenra. This anti-humidity spray is great for all hair types. It's going to keep your hair nice and frizz-free for as long as you need. And that's my point of view.